to Gamescom. How you guys doing? So, Rod, Gears 5 coming soon for Xbox, right?
Absolutely, yes. Coming very, very soon. Less than 3 weeks, in fact. Figured what better place to show a new campaign story trailer.
They're here.
Now's the fun part, bitch!
It's basically a two-sided story. So there's one part of the story is the war returning to Sarah. You know, Gears 4 is a little bit about 3 people lost in the woods finding the monsters. And now the monsters are here and they're pissed off, right? And so we have to tell that side of the story. And then the other part is really what's going on inside of Kate's head and what's her journey. So those two stories coming together are probably the best Gears game we've ever made. Yeah, we wanted to talk about the new Horde. So basically, ultimate abilities are the new thing in Horde. So every character has their own unique ability you can do. So it kind of changes up your play style and everybody plays differently. Things like Kate can go invisible, JD can bring down airstrikes, and so it's per character, it's not per role. So and even engineers will each have their own ability.
Well, speaking of Gears, I want to congratulate you because we're announcing tonight that Gears 5 won the Gamescom Award for Best Xbox Game. So you and Coalition have done an amazing job on that. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
that's amazing.
Congratulations. So. That's right, the classic Comanche is coming back from THQ Nordic.
Welcome to Palm City, a fresh world with new customizations and the return of cops. Make Palm City an urban oasis for those who burn fast and live by their own rules. Daytime offers sanctioned racing events through the Speed Hunter Showdown. Compete and score bank with each new win. Turn the key. Burn all limits.
What the hell was that? Eyes up! I've got movement in the trees.
I keep having these nightmares since I came out of the coma. Nowhere to go. What do I do now? I'm so different now. I don't even recognize myself.
Remember, you gotta do this.
4 times a day, I won't forget.
You might spend the rest of your life in prison, or you can talk to me.
I'm not afraid. I want to help my brother. It's all I can think about.
Let's talk Borderlands 3. First of all, the campaign. I know last week a lot of previews went up, influencers, press got to play it. Okay.
So we're announcing something called Proving Grounds.
Okay.
Okay, Proving Grounds starts off with the Iridians. The nice thing is you have to go throughout the game and discover Iridian writing. This is this ancient alien race.
Yep.
And then you find the coordinates to planets once you kind of decipher all these things. And then you find out that you can take a mission from this Iridian that you see here, and the mission has different objectives in it, right? So it's got one, which is kill everything, because Borderlands.
Of course, yeah.
And then it's got optional objectives, like don't die, all right? Do it within a certain amount of time, and kill a certain thing. So you can
see all that, yeah.
Yeah, you can see the optional objectives right here.
Sunny valleys, peace, quiet, wine, lots of wine. Why Velen?
Because here's where my journey begins.
Tell us a bit about the new Volta. What is Volta in FIFA 20?
So we really set about creating a fresh and deep and authentic experience with the street football flavor and bringing that creativity and style to the game. We have a refined gameplay experience. We have a brand new customization experience where you can really choose what your character looks like and how they play and what they wear on the court. And with all the ways that you can play Volta football with Volta Story included, which you're going to see here for the very first time in a minute, that authenticity and that depth of the real-life street football experience is what you're going to see all over Volta football in FIFA 20.
For what's left of humanity.
Got it.
I am here with Celia from Nintendo. Celia, you and your team won Best Nintendo Switch Game for The Legend of Zelda: Link's Awakening. Congratulations. How are you feeling?
I'm so excited. It's really amazing, and you can see here that the love that Nintendo puts into these games, the love to detail, comes back right to them.
Let's talk about Destiny 2. First of all, the newly independent Bungie. It's so cool that you guys are releasing this on your own now. And as your shirt says, Shadowkeep is coming October 1.
It involves the return of a character we haven't seen in a while, Eris Morn, one of the beloved characters from Destiny 1. Yeah. Now, Eris has gone on looking around in the moon, and from Destiny 1 also, and has discovered something horrible that has unleashed nightmares for all Guardians to come back and battle. It's the moon, but it's totally transformed by the Hive. There's some new spaces that you've never seen before, and then there's spaces that you think look familiar but have been totally reimagined.
In these things, there is symmetry. The gateways have opened. The Vex are coming.
I'm Sergeant Blake. It's extremely likely whoever killed your father killed Mr. Johar. There's an intruder at Delphi House.
I'm going. Why are you following me? Let me go.
My God, what have you done?
Erica is a little bit of an enigma. She's a girl who's had this incredibly traumatic childhood experience, and it's haunted her whole life.
Chest. Yo-ho and a barrel of rum. Drink and the devil had done for the rest. Yo-ho and a barrel of rum. Headed gold with a Syrian's ass. His cheek and short. Yo-ho and a barrel of rum. Yo-ho and a barrel of rum. Yo-ho and a barrel of rum.
Target's moving.
Got it.
He's here, the one and only Hideo Kojima! Mr. Kojima, it is such an honor to have you with us. I know how hard you've been working to finish up this.
追い込みのすごい忙しい時期で、本当は現場を離れるのは良くないんですけども、皆さんに会いたいので、頑張ってきました。
Death Stranding is in the final, really crunch time of development stage, and I shouldn't actually be here, but I really wanted to meet you all, so I came to Germany. And today I would like to introduce more new characters today.
はい、まずどうぞ。はい。
Let's look at the first one.
Okay, let's take a look at the first character from Mr. Kojima.
Even though she can't drink it, my body keeps making it. Going through the motions really helps with the soreness, though.
What is she?
She's my daughter. And I'm her mama. It's okay. She's only connected to me. It's not like the other BTs.
It's in.
Good. A temporary excessive stress. Easily addressed if we return it to its mother's womb. You should remember that BBs are just equipment. Try not to get attached. Each one has been physically removed from its steel mother's womb. A process that renders them unpredictable and prone to failure.
All right, here we go. The first gameplay, Death Stranding.
How you doing, Sam?
Delivering cargo.
You the delivery dude? Oh, that's a relief. I've just about given up on you. Good job, man. Good job. Not that I'm surprised. I mean, you're you, right? About time I hopped on the whole chiral network bandwagon, am I right? Join the UCA and all that. You can help me do that, yeah?
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Someone's happy.
Mr. Kojima, thank you so much for coming all this way to share a little bit more of Death Stranding with us. What do you guys think? Pretty insane, right? Hideo Kojima. There's so much there, and we don't have to wait long because you guys are on track for the game to come out this November, right?
Oh, thank you, Sam. Hey, take care out there. Hate for this to be the last time we meet, you know? So, I'm gonna need a moment to look over what you brought me. But I'll hit you back via mail after. Promise.